Hey, what you gonna do about Takeoff?
What?
The dude that died, the rapper. What you think about that?
Sad.
Uh,
Sad.
well, you think his uncles and nephews sad?
I guess.
They call them the MIGOS. It was a rap group. You probably would have died for one of them people if you was in it.
Yeah.
That's how I go to ain't it, I think he died in the dice game,
Yeah.
Somebody shot him in the head.
Yeah.
That's sad, ain't it,
Yeah.
You want to send your prayers out to his family and them,
Yeah.
Damn, there's a lot of people gone, ain't it, Your partner just died yesterday, didn't it,
Who?
Rich.
Oh, yeah.
R.I.P. to all of them, ain't it,
Yeah.
It's sad, though. But they're in a better place, ain't it, though,
Yeah.
You ain't never seen the Migos, have you?
Mm-hmm.
It's a rap group, a known rap group. Yeah. They was something like the Beatles. Yeah. They was doing like, you know what I'm saying? My time and your time, I can say they were like the Beatles. They sold like millions of records and all that, I think he got his nephew and his uncle left, And ain't no more Migos. You wanna say something to him, Not really, huh? Well, I got something to say. Shout out to all the people that done passed away, man. God bless all of us. Ain't that right,
Right.
See, if you make it, you can't be around no like people that ain't got trying to do nothing with themselves. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'm trying to make it out on YouTube, ain't it,
Yep.
For real. Yeah. I'm trying to get his likes up, man. Y'all subscribe and hit that like button. Check out Unc. He got some more things coming. Kickstand, man. Understand? Shit. Unc just want a bill. Ain't it, Unc? That's it, ain't it?
Yeah.
Shit. So y'all stay tuned to Unc Want a Bill. YouTube, we out here. We signing off.